In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record swim activities in Strava app, whether you're heading to the pool or getting in some laps in open water. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to start a proper swim recording so your effort is captured clearly and shows up as a swim in your training log. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your home feed so everything is ready to go. If you haven't used Strava in a while, you might notice a few design updates, but the controls we need are still easy to find and work the same way. Next, look along the bottom of the screen and tap the record option. It's the big button in the bottom bar that opens the activity recording screen. This page is where Strava prepares your phone to track your workout, and it's also where you can choose the sport you're about to do. If you see a map or a large timer area, you're in the right place. By default, Strava often selects a different sport like run or ride, so we'll switch it to swim. At the bottom of the recording screen, tap the current sport to open the sport picker. You'll see a list of activities. Scroll until you find swim, then select it. You should now see swim displayed as the active sport on the recording screen. Take a second to confirm it says swim before you begin. This ensures your workout is categorized correctly and analyzed as a swim afterward. With swim selected, you're ready to begin. Tap the start button to start the record. You'll see the timer begin counting, and Strava will start logging your activity as a swim. That's all there is to it. Your phone is now tracking your session. If you're using a waterproof pouch or leaving your phone poolside, make sure it stays safe and within reach, and be mindful that GPS devices can behave differently around water. Open water swims depend on staying above the surface for the best signal, while pool swims are often better tracked by compatible wearables. However, selecting swim here still ensures your effort is labeled correctly in the app. Before you dive in, glance at the screen one more time to make sure swim is visible and the timer is running. Keeping that habit helps avoid mislabeling and missed data. And that's the process. Open the app, go to record, choose swim, and hit start. You're set to capture your swim with Strava and keep your training log accurate and consistent.